Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Pan Yong. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our customers, partners, media friends, and all industry colleagues joining us today. It's my pleasure to share with you how Huawei IdeaHub is facilitating the digitalization and conjunction of smart offices and classrooms. First, I'd like to briefly introduce Huawei Intelligent Corporation. Huawei has spent 28 years developing and updating intelligent collaboration products. We have been reading in H.285 codec and end-to-end 4K technologies for several years. Meanwhile, our unique high-definition low bandwidth and powerful network adaptation technology ensure that videos are 1080p at half industry average bandwidth. The products in IdeaHub series, released within the last year, have been recognized by many professional organizations, achieving the Red Dot Design Award in 2020 and the Sweden Global Team Corporation Device Innovation Award, and the Sweden Asia Pacific Video Conferencing Market Leadership Award. What's more, according to statistics from the International Data Corporation, Huawei has occupied the largest market share in China for 8 consecutive years. For that, we'd like to express our gratitude to the Industry Express for their recognition and appreciation. Our intelligent cooperation products and solutions have served customers in more than 140 countries and regions. IdeaHub, as a new productivity tool, it changed the traditional office and the classroom. For instance, at the Chongqing Bank in Hong Kong, IdeaHub provides customers with a secure and efficient cross-border solution to efficiently support the orderly operation of services during the pandemic. IdeaHub is also helping education institutes digitalize teaching. As Dr. Krasa Chonawans, president of Kras University, highlights, integrating data, learning methods, and advanced technology in one smart device, the IdeaHub is a real game changer for smart education in the digital area. Lecturers and students can now create an interactive classroom even when they are miles apart. With this intelligent tool, we can quickly set up a learning center from anywhere, promoting easier access to high-quality education for all. Beyond that, IdeaHub also helps TV stations explore new entertainment styles. A live TV channel in Serbia, for example, uses IdeaHub to improve interaction between the host, the guest, and the audience. According to Huawei's Idea statistics, at least 60% of employees' working time is spent on the communications. 56% of the manager's time is spent in meetings, and 90% of a company's key decisions and core ideas are generated in meeting rooms. Meeting rooms are like the command center for organization operation. Therefore, a smart and efficient office collaboration tool is of vital importance. A traditional meeting room requires multiple devices, such as projectors, microphones, cameras, speakers, monitors, and video conferencing endpoints. Deploying this is very complex and often leaves the office in a mess. Huawei IdeaHub is a brand new productivity tool for smart office. It integrated a whiteboard, projector, microphone, and video conferencing endpoints in one device, greatly simplifying device deployment. Enable employees to communicate and collaborate as easier as if using a smartphone. The comprehensive devices allow the meeting to take place not only in traditional meeting rooms, but also in leisure and open office area. Meetings can be held anytime, anywhere, facilitating anything from quick decision-making for lengthy discussions. Wireless projection has become common in digital office scenarios, which is why Huawei IdeaHub supports multiple wireless projection methods to improve user experience. You can install IdeaShare apps to share computer desktop and mobile phones. You can also connect IdeaShare key to a computer to project your desktop to the IdeaHub in just one tap. Or you can also use DLNA protocol to project video apps on a mobile phone to the screen. If you are using a Huawei phone, you do not need to install any apps. Instead, you can use drop-down menu to start the projection. Wireless projection supports up to 4K 30 FPS high-definition audio and video sharing. During projection, you can directly perform operation on the shared content on IdeaHub, such as turning pages, adding comments, and exiting the playback. You do not need to perform operation on your PC or mobile phones, making your presentation more flexible and easy to control. Intelligent writing is one of the most frequently used functions in a cooperative office. Based on this, Huawei IdeaHub provides various intelligent whiteboard functions, such as writing with stroke effect, zooming by gesture, co-author whiteboard collaboration, and intelligent writing recognition, all of which are just as smooth as writing with pen on paper. The intelligent recognition function can automatically convert handwritten fonts and images on the e-write whiteboard into printable text. Writing latency is a key factor for user experience. Huawei IdeaHub provides a 35 milliseconds ultra-low writing latency, which is significantly shorter than the industry average 45 minutes. Once you have finished writing, you can take your notes away simply by scanning the QR code, sending them to your mailbox in one click, or saving them to a local hard disk or USB flash driver to achieve a seamless workflow. We are also working towards popularizing intelligent conferences. Thanks to its unique AI technology, Huawei IdeaHub can bring us a more efficient and intelligent conference experience. The SVC multiple screen technology provides multiple layouts. You can switch between the small window and the main window simply by dragging them. What's more, the intelligent trunk function always keeps the speaker in the center of the screen. In addition, the intelligent acoustic buffer automatically shares the external noise and ensures that your meeting is not affected by ambient sounds, providing optimal conference environment. Huawei IdeaHub provides an open system comprised with multiple SDK capability, such as screen-based conference, whiteboard, projection, UI control, device control, and audio and video codec. You can integrate this capability with applications. For example, with device-based control SDK, you can customize the powered on and powered off logos and images of the large screen devices to better fit your company culture. IdeaHub also supports capability openness based on 4 operating systems on mobile phones and PCs, including conference, projection, and whiteboard SDKs. IdeaHub also can integrate it with mobile or PC applications. For example, the projection function can be integrated into existing mobile phones or PC applications of an enterprise. Now let's watch a video to see how IdeaHub help Gulf Group company build a digital office. Please.
IdeaHub is a complete, let's say, complete interactive AV conferencing system which has all features and functionalities of any AV setup, but simply in only one device. Very simple to use, very simple to install and configure, and very simple even to maintain. Let's confess, because of this corona pandemic and the situation with the whole world is facing now, everything in our life became digitalized, became virtually interactive, and even the mindset changed. For example, now we are facing as account manager or part of sales team, I'm facing some restrictions and difficulties in meeting clients. We can overcome all of these restrictions by using IdeaHub. We can do these meetings and we can interact with the customer and we can deliver whatever we want. My favorite feature, voice masking. You can imagine during the meeting you have a privacy area which where you can talk or even discuss something internally and the audience can't hear you. It is amazing. Actually, you can find a touch screen, but maybe without camera. We can find a touch screen with camera, but maybe without a mic. So to find such a complete system in only one product, I don't think there is any other products in the market can be compared.
In the education industry, Huawei works with various partners to establish smart classroom solutions. We use Huawei IdeaHub board series as the core and combined devices with teaching application and platforms. The three types of smart classroom solution help education institutes improve the quality and experience of regular teaching, collaborative teaching, and remote teaching. Combining the anti-blue light IdeaHub board series and the electronic blackboard, Huawei Smart Classroom solution can help teachers retain their writing habits and protect students' eyes health. The IdeaHub board series is integrated with the third-party teaching software to achieve digitalization of the entire teaching process before, during, and after class. Through this solution, we aim to bring digitalization to every classroom to achieving flexible teaching and high-quality learning. Most traditional classrooms use traditional blackboard, which cannot connect to digital devices, making it impossible to save and share digital class notes. Such a tool also limited teaching methods. Huawei Smart Classroom solution uses Huawei IdeaHub board series as a core integration with electronic blackboards and various professional teaching software. Before class, the solution provides interactive courseware editing tool for teachers to engage in cross-department cooperation, share resources over the cloud, and import material with just one click. Students also can preview the courses in advance. During the class, teachers use subject teaching tools and multimedia material to aim teaching and better allow students interested. In addition, the integrated blackboard enables teacher chalkboard writing to be automatically retained electronically. After class, the solution supports in-class quiz and analysis, enables schools to evaluate classroom data to improve teaching quality. What's more, Huawei IdeaHub board is certified with 4K optical anti-blue light and dual eyes comfort certification from 12 rain length, protection students' eyesight from light source. Next, let's watch another video about how IdeaHub helped Kuzminski University in Poland implement digital education. Please.
The world is changing rapidly. The technological progress does not create temporary solutions, but future cornerstones of society.
Huawei and Kuzminski University share the same values. We believe that quality education should not be confined to one's desk nor building.
The initial analysis of the possibilities for the accelerated digital growth to take place at KU has marked the goal to allow for maximum immersion while ensuring the convenience of both the staff and the students.
IdeaHub is the icing on the cake that provides outstanding comfort in the way modern classes are conducted. The IdeaHub's features will help our students in achieving their goals of becoming business leaders of the future.
Great thanks to Kosminski University for your sharing. Project Mind, right idea. This is Huawei IdeaHub. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.